Good day, Dr. Emma. I am not sure you know who I am, but today, this video I will gonna let you remember me. My name is Choi Jin Feng and I am from Seremban Negeri Sembilan. Today, I will present about my investment portfolio and my opinion about the cryptocurrencies. First of all, I would like to present about my mission statement of this presentation. My purpose of this presentation is to explain about the skill and technique which I will use in the investment portfolio. Besides, I will present about the process of my decision in the investment portfolio. Lastly, I will share about some of my opinion about cryptocurrencies. Next, we will go to the main point of our presentation today. It is about my investment portfolio. My investment portfolio summary can be categorized by three parts, which is analyze to evaluate investment and identify trading opportunities. The second part will be asset allocation strategies, and the last part will be security selection. I analyze my investment by using these three categories. For analysis to evaluate investment and identify trading opportunities, there are two analyses which I use to evaluate the stock. The first analysis is technical analysis, which is focused on the price and the volume analysis. It also frequently used to produce short-term trading signal using a variety of charting tools. There are some examples of charting tools that I use to analyze, which is RSI, MACD, or MA. The second analysis is fundamental analysis. This analysis is used when analyzing a stock based on its fundamentals and examine any information that may have an impact on a stock price or perceived worth. As an example, cash flow, return on asset, retention of future expansion is generally be used to analyze a stock. Okay, next we will go to the second category, which is asset allocation strategy. There are three types of strategy which will be used. The first strategy is strategic asset allocation. This strategy can be defined as to create and maintain a base policy mix or a proportional mix of assets depending on each asset class predicted rate of return. The second strategy is dynamic asset allocation. This strategy suggests that sell assets that are falling in value and buy ones that are rising in value with the method. It also modifies the asset mix when market rise and fall and economy strengthen and weakness. The last strategy will be used in constant weight allocation. This strategy used to rebalance the portfolio on a regular basis and also will be used when the price of a stock changes. Okay, next we go to the third category. The third category is security selection. There are three types of selection which I use to analyze the stock. The first selection is risk. This selection describes risk tolerance must be asset and willing to take on additional risk because the downside can be mitigated over time. The second selection is diversification. The diversification of stocks shows that the investment portfolio should be well diversified and focus on a certain industry or topic with specialized team or sectors. The last selection is sector fundamental metrics. This selection defines that stock can examine by average basic measures such as price earning PE ratio, price book ratio PB, price cash flow PC, and investor can depend on exchange trade fund ETF to trade. Are some example of stock which I had purchased. For the stock which gain profit for my portfolio are Mastercard and Visa. For the stock which lost profit are the Walt Disney Company and Microsoft. The detail of the explanation of this stock I already write in my report. For the last topic, I would like to present is about my opinion on investment in cryptocurrency. For my opinion, invest in cryptocurrency, there are advantages and disadvantages. The advantages of investing in cryptocurrency are it has a potential for high returns. It also has protection from payment fraud. It can be immediate settlement and used in international transactions. Lastly, it also shows diversification and have a greater liquidity. For the disadvantages, cryptocurrency has high volatility and potential for large loss. Besides, some of the cryptocurrency was controlled or used by black market activity. It will also cause unregulated and unbacked activity or face cyber hacking. Lastly, if the payment has error, it was not refundable. Okay, it will come to the last of my presentation. That's all for my presentation. I am appreciated that I have a chance to present about my own investment portfolio, and I think this is the very good experience that could help me in the future. Thank you, Dr. Emma, for giving me a chance. That's all for me. Thank you.